Are you tired of carrying bulky, useless gear? Today, we're counting down 20 amazing EDC items on Amazon that will blow your mind. From hidden survival tools to the coolest tech gadgets of 2026, these are the everyday carry essentials you didn't know you needed. We've found the best Amazon finds that are budget-friendly, highly functional, and perfect for your EDC kit. Whether you're looking for a minimalist wallet, a tactical flashlight, or a multi-tool that fits on your keychain, this list has it all. Stick around until number 1 because it's a total game changer for your daily routine. Let's dive into the latest Amazon gadgets you can buy right now. Always caught off guard by small fixes on the go? The Pelz mini pocket knife tool keeps 6 essential tools within reach in a sleek, keychain-ready design. This compact stainless steel multi-tool features a bottle opener, pry tool, flathead, Phillips screwdrivers, and more. Lightweight and durable, it fits effortlessly in your pocket, glove box, or on your keys. Perfect for quick household repairs, outdoor projects, or everyday tasks, it's built to last and ensures you're always prepared, making it an ideal companion for work, travel, or gifting. Want a robot dog that's as smart as it is fun? The Hiwonder MechDog. Smart robot dog brings learning and play together with lifelike movements and advanced robotics. Equipped with an IMU, ultrasonic sensor, AI camera, and self-balancing design, it responds to real-time adjustments through inverse kinematics for flexible movement. Open source and programmable with Arduino, Scratch, or Python, via the ESP32 controller, MechDog teaches mechanics, electronics, and AI. Expandable with sensors and Lego components, it's perfect for children and adults exploring robotics while enjoying the company of a clever, interactive companion. Worried about keeping medications and first aid supplies safe? The Uniclife Medicine Lockbox provides secure, portable storage for all your essentials. Made from durable aluminum alloy with an HDF interlayer, it's waterproof, impact-resistant, and reinforced at the corners. The 3-digit combination lock offers 1,000 possible codes, keeping pills, medical tools, and gadgets out of unauthorized hands. With a detachable tray, stretchy pocket, and ergonomic handle, this lockable first aid box organizes and transports supplies easily, making it perfect for homes, schools, offices, and clinics while ensuring safety and accessibility. Struggling with slouching and poor posture? The upright GO S Lite makes better posture easy and accessible. This wearable posture trainer gently vibrates when you slouch, helping you build awareness and correct habits over time. Using the companion app, you can set daily goals, customize training programs, and track your progress with advanced multi-sensor technology. Designed for both men and women, it strengthens back and core muscles, boosts blood flow, and promotes overall well-being. Compact, intuitive, and effective, the upright GO S Lite helps you stand tall and confident every day. Worried about little hands getting into your fridge or cabinets? The Moyonte refrigerator lock keeps your home safe with a reliable combination lock system. Perfect as a fridge lock, cabinet lock, or drawer lock, it prevents toddlers from accessing hazardous items while remaining easy for adults to open. Made from non-toxic ABS-PTFE materials and reinforced steel wire, it's durable, safe, and corrosion-resistant. Installation is simple with adhesive 3M stickers or optional screws for extra security. Multi-purpose and versatile, it's ideal for childproofing kitchens, drawers, freezers, or even pet doors. Tired of USB cables fraying or breaking at the connector? The Zendure SuperCord durable USB cable is built to last a lifetime. With 3 layers of Kevlar, reinforced individual wires, and a nylon Kevlar chevron jacket, it resists stress and bending, surviving over 50,180-degree bends, 10 times more than ordinary cables. Stainless steel connectors prevent rust, while the extended strain relief absorbs tension at critical junctions. Perfect for charging or data transfer, this ultra-durable cable keeps your devices powered reliably. A genuine leather strap keeps it organized in style. Struggling to keep track of time for work, study, or play? The EooCoo digital visual timer makes time management simple for kids and adults alike. This 3-in-1 timer functions as a clock, countdown timer, and alarm, with 12-hour or 24-hour display options. Its 60-minute countdown features a bright orange visual ring that shrinks minute by minute, perfect for classrooms, kitchens, or homeschooling. Silent operation keeps focus undisturbed, while the LCD screen and easy knob control makes setting and resetting a breeze. Compact, portable, and ideal as a teacher gift, it keeps every schedule on track. Bored or stressed? Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty brings endless fun and creativity to kids and grown-ups alike. The strange attractor Dark Sensory Putty comes in a 4-inch tin and features black putty with millions of tiny micron-sized magnets and subtle green sparkles. Use the included super strong ceramic magnet to stretch, bounce, pop, tear, and sculpt. Safe, non-toxic, and never drying out, this putty is perfect for stress relief, mindfulness, or creative play at home, school, work, or on the go. No batteries, no instructions, just pure imaginative fun. Struggling with forward head posture? The Posture Prime's Vertex weighted cushion makes correcting it simple and effective. Designed for women and men, this head and neck straightener strengthens deep cervical muscles while promoting perfect spine alignment. Its patent-pending design uses gentle weight to retrain posture without straps, activating muscles naturally. Adjustable in 3 sizes, it provides neck and back support during work, home, or gym activities. Compact and portable, the Vertex doubles as a posture corrector, neck hump reducer, and back straightener, offering lasting relief and improved overall alignment. Struggling with muscle aches or joint discomfort? The Allolo Red Light Therapy Belt brings professional infrared and red light treatment to your home. This 3-in-1 LED bead device features 4 modes: red, infrared, and pulse, covering back, waist, shoulders, knees, and more. Adjustable straps and a large 12.6-inch by 6.3-inch coverage area make it easy to target multiple body parts. Lightweight, portable, and USB powered, it includes a timer with 5 to 30-minute settings. Perfect for home therapy, pain relief, or as a thoughtful gift for family and friends. Tired of cluttered nightstands and tangled charging cables? The CRLL bedside lamp brings style and function together in one smart design. This 3-in-1 touch control table lamp with clock and wireless charger powers your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch while lighting your space. With 5 color modes and stepless dimming, it creates the perfect mood for reading or relaxing. The built-in 12-hour and 24-hour clock formats and modern wooden design make it ideal for bedrooms or desks. A practical, thoughtful gift for women and men. Tired of juggling your phone and keys while you run? The Waterfly running belt keeps your essentials secure without slowing you down. This runner marathon jogging waist pack sport workout. Exercise. Fitness. Phone holder. Belt. For men. Women jogger slim waist bag is lightweight, breathable, and made from premium technical lycra that wicks sweat and stays comfortable. With 3 pockets, it fits any size phone plus keys, cash, or cards. The adjustable 27-inch to 48-inch strap ensures 0 bounce, while reflective details and a headphone port keep you safe and connected. Hosting a party and worried about food going cold? The Coanto food warming mat keeps every dish perfectly heated from start to finish. Designed as a food warmer for a party buffet, this silicone heating mat with 7 temperature settings delivers fast, even warmth across a large surface. Customize heat levels to suit different meals, while the 12-hour auto shut-off adds peace of mind. Durable, splash-proof, and easy to clean, it rolls up for compact storage. Ideal for buffets, family dinners, or defrosting, it ensures warm, ready-to-serve food every time. Struggling to open stubborn jars or tight bottle caps? The Banyaa jar opener makes kitchen tasks effortless. This magnetic adjustable jar opener and bottle opener is designed for arthritis and weak hands, offering an easy grip solution for everyday use. The 7-in-1 design combines a jar opener, bottle opener, can opener, corkscrew vacuum seal breaker, ring pull lifter, and lid gripper. Its retractable jaw fits lids from 1 to 3.8 inches, while the lever handle reduces strain. Compact with built-in magnet storage, it's a practical, thoughtful gift for seniors and anyone needing extra grip support. Need a tool that's as fun as it is functional? Unlock EDC fun. Embrace practicality with the Comandi TI PryBar Playmake. This simple and functional style pocket tool features titanium GR5 construction, a quick-release mechanism, a replaceable blade holder, and a keychain hole for easy carry. Inspired by cyberpunk design, it delivers lightning-fast one-handed action. More than a pry bar, it includes a staple remover and a bottle opener. Built tough yet lightweight, it's made for daily repairs, quick fixes, opening packages, and everyday carry convenience. Meet the notebook built for explorers who think in circuits and angles. The InnoZoom Circuitote notebook is the world's first notebook with a precision-milled FR 4PCB cover, integrated ruler, protractor, and Morse code cheat sheet for creators. Every great creation begins with a draft, but what if the draft itself were a masterpiece of engineering? Black, gold, precise. Fire-resistant and 100% waterproof, it's rigid enough to write anywhere. Designed for sketches, field notes, and technical ideas, it turns everyday planning into a portable workstation. Small light, serious power. The EverBrite. Small flashlight is a 5-mode zoomable dual power flashlight built for moments when light really matters. These mini high-lumen flashlights deliver ultra-powerful brightness, up to 1000 lumens in turbo mode, with a frog eye lens for wide, smooth coverage. Choose a rechargeable or AA battery for zero worry during outages. This pocket flashlight for home, emergency, hiking, and camping has an IP65 waterproof aluminum body, an anti-roll design, an adjustable zoom from flood to spot, reliable lighting wherever you go. Ever get stuck without the right tool at the worst time? The KeySmart AllTul Shark keeps everyday fixes within reach. This 4-in-1 everyday carry multi-purpose keychain multi-tool with bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, and flat head is compact, lightweight, and always ready. Made from durable stainless steel, it weighs just 0.08 pounds, yet handles daily tasks with ease. Designed to fit perfectly in your KeySmart organizer, it's ideal for camping, fishing, quick repairs, and on-the-go utility. Small in size, big on reliability, and built for real-life moments. Dropped something in a tight space and can't reach it? The Housolution Grabber Tool Picker makes retrieval quick and stress-free. This bendable hose reacher pickup sweeper with LED lights is a flexible, long, handy reaching assist tool, perfect for home sinks, drains, litter pickup, and narrow gaps. With strong magnetic power up to 3 pounds and 4 extendable steel claws, it grips small items securely so they won't slip. The alloy steel build, easy push handle, and built-in LED light ensure efficient, user-friendly operation in dark or hard-to-reach areas. Tired of digging through your purse or pockets for your keys? The KeySmart MagConnect Pro. Key holder makes everyday carry simple and secure. This detachable keyring quick-release keychain is crafted from durable, lightweight aluminum and features a strong magnetic connector that holds up to 20 pounds. Just pull apart to detach your car keys instantly. Perfect for purses, belt loops, or EDC setups, it pairs with KeySmart mini tools for added utility. Sleek, functional, and reliable, it keeps your keychains organized and always within reach. That wraps up our list of the top 20 EDC items on Amazon. Which of these cool gadgets was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one. All the links to these Amazon must-haves are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and everyday carry guides. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the latest gear drops. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.